Welcome to my car and train channel. Let's speak about winterization. Why do we need to winterize an RV, a boat, even a house? It's because with the freeze below 0 Celsius or 32 Fahrenheit, the water expand and basically damage your or even break your plumbing. Wherever you are in your knowledge and ownership of an RV, a recreational vehicle or even a boat, the same applies but at different stage. You may have more knowledge, but I'm going to show you my procedure and hopefully you will find it interesting. The first thing to do is to isolate and drain the water heater. So I am using a socket and I am removing the plug so that all the water flows through the drain. And you see the drain. Drop that. Here we go. Here. The black hole, that's the drain. Okay? Those two valves that you see are the ones that allow to isolate the water heater so that when you push air or the liquid, the pink liquid, it doesn't go in the water heater. As you can see, I have labeled them because I only do that once a year and I forget what is the right position. So labeling is important when you have activities that you do only once a year. We always forget. The second thing, I am very respectful of environment. We are as a family and we don't want to use too many chemicals. So what I am doing is that instead of putting the pink product in the water lines, we blow air. So I have a compressor and this is a mock-up. I already did it, by the way, full disclosure. So through the city water connection that you can see here, I'm going to blow air. So let me show you. I have made this device. I have a hose to valve, and then I have the female of the valve, and then connect it to an air connector. Easy disconnect. You see the stack? That has been very, very helpful. So now let's go inside and look at the procedure. The most important tool for the procedure is to have a checklist. Whatever you are doing, you do that only once a year. So I have the checklist on my iPhone, and basically I don't need to read because the goal of this video is to explain you what is on the checklist. I think that images and video are worth 1,000 words, as you know. So you have your checklist. The first thing that I would try to do is to get a hold of the fresh water system of your device, whatever it is, because you need to understand where are the low points, where are the traps. Those are the most dangerous for you. So I put the air pressure, and basically it's going to blow the air through all the lines. Right now they are all closed. And what I do is that I open the faucet, which is the further away from the inlet for the water where we are putting the air. And I open it hot and cold until there is no more water which is going out. And then I do the same with the other faucets. So I know that I have, and it's part of my checklist, I know that I have 4 faucets in total: kitchen, bathroom, shower, and the outside. Now I need to take care of the traps, and I do have a trap. Actually, I have a 5th faucet, and I did not realize that last year, so I broke it because I did not flush the water. So that's the reason why you need the blueprint, is to be able to read, to find where are the traps. But this motorhome has not been very well designed in my mind, so I have further traps that can trap water. So you see something like that here. It was well intended, but the design engineer who designed that did not think twice. So what I do is that here where you see the tissue, I put this device at the end of the line. Again, water hose, I have studied the connection, and then I am using a shop vac to drain all the water. At the end of the process, I have no water left in the entire unit. And then what I do is that I open every single faucet, so all the faucets that you saw, and hold on 1 second. I want to show you one thing, is that I open also all the drains that I have found. So you see here you have drains. This is, we spoke about it at the beginning, this is the isolation of the water heater. And then last, I put the pink product only in the siphon. So you can see that I have used less than a jug for the entire, for the 3 siphons that I have. With this method, I've used only half a gallon, where typically you are going to use 3 to 5 gallons of antifreeze for a motorhome or an RV. And then, of course, you think about topping up your windshield tank, the antifreeze, especially if you added water, and stabilize the gas. There is an affiliate link below the video with all the products that you need in case you want to do it yourself, DIY this project. I thank you very much for watching this video, and if you have any questions, please ask them through the comment section.